What if I told you that one metal could change the way we manufacture and design products across many industries? Meet 6061, aluminum, a versatile and widely used alloy that has revolutionized the way we build things. So what is 6060? One aluminum, and what makes it so special? 6060, one aluminum is a high-quality, strong, and lightweight alloy that is made up of magnesium, silicon, and aluminum. It is often used in aerospace, automotive, and other industries where strength, durability, and low weight are crucial. Its strength-to-weight ratio is impressive, making it an ideal choice for aircraft and other vehicles where every pound counts. It is also used in construction, where its corrosion-resistant properties make it perfect for outdoor application. But what about precision grinding? 6061 aluminum stock can be ground and machined to incredibly precise tolerances, making it a popular choice for products that require tight tolerances and consistent performances. This is where Forte Precision Metals comes in. Our expertise in centerless grinding and our high-quality 6061 aluminum bars can help you achieve the exact specifications you need for your product. Whether you need 6060 one aluminum bars for aerospace, automotive, or any other industry, we have the knowledge and experience to meet your needs. Visit our website to learn more about our precision grinding services and our high-quality aluminum bar stock